At 6, the Patriots are pushing back against a bombshell report claiming there is trouble in Foxborough. The ESPN article even suggests that this could be Bill Belichick's last season with the Patriots.
WBZ's Dan Roche is here with us now live in studio with the details of a really big disagreement here, Dan.
Yeah, certainly is a strange story, a controversial report. Some say it's not based on fact, but the writer says his sources include more than a dozen Patriots staffers, executives, and players, and it's caused quite a stir here in New England and around the country.
The names don't get any bigger in Patriot Nation. Tom Brady, coach Bill Belichick, and owner Robert Kraft. They've brought glory to New England. But an ESPN article claims they're fighting in Foxborough and that there could be a breakup of the Big Three. ESPN writer Seth Wickersham says a rift opened up when Kraft reportedly forced Belichick to trade backup quarterback Jimmy Garoppolo because Brady felt threatened. The writer also claims there's bad blood between Brady and Belichick because the coach reportedly banned Brady's personal trainer from the sidelines. He says it's so bad that this could be Belichick's last season with the Pats.
Where I think the story leaps to new levels is in suggesting that this is the end.
Michael Hurley reports on the Pats for CBSBoston.com. He says the article is based on a lot of gossip.
What you have is the greatest quarterback of all time playing at arguably the highest level of his career, and you're in position to win another Super Bowl for the third time in 4 years. Things aren't as bad as the story might make it seem.
In a statement, the Pats fire back at ESPN saying, "For the past 18 years, the three of us have enjoyed a very good and productive working relationship. In recent days, there have been multiple media reports that have speculated theories that are unsubstantiated, highly exaggerated, or flat out inaccurate."
You know, it makes for a good story. And as the coach says, and as Brady says, on to the playoffs.
Well, ESPN standing by its story. Meanwhile, Bill Belichick is the master of not letting outside distractions get in the way of the Patriots' Super Bowl title run with Deflategate, David. Lisa, the biggest example of that. Back to you guys.
Indeed. Thank you, Dan. Well, this was